Good Monday evening, Tallahassee. I am student meteorologist Josh Rivas. Today we had a lot of severe weather move through, a lot of damaging wind reports across much of the campus and the city as well. Rainfall was more of an issue yesterday across Tallahassee. Let's take a look at the rainfall amounts from yesterday in Tallahassee. Near 1.5 inches yesterday in Tallahassee. So definitely a lot of rainfall. Flash flooding was an issue across much of the Big Bend region yesterday. Again, that brought up our month total to around 3.5 inches of rain. And so now we're back above average for the month of April. For the year, we're still just below where we need to be this time of year. So we'll try and work on that. April usually is our driest month. So when the summer season comes around, we'll start to get a little bit more of a taste of rainfall, summertime and thunderstorms. Usually around June time is usually when we start to look at that. But for the rainfall and clouds, they've really had an influence on our temperatures the past 6 days. They've gone up and down many of the days over the past 6 days. Take a look at Tuesday last week, 88 degrees or 90 degrees, way above average. And we had the rainfall Wednesday through Friday, clouds and rain, temperatures below and at average. So a huge difference. You can definitely see how the rain really impacts the temperatures. And then on Saturday, we had a little bit more sunshine, 86 degrees was our high, back above average as well. So again, you really get to see how much the rain impacts the area. This is the precipitable water, the amount of atmospheric moisture in the air. It's almost a good idea of how the dew point works. The higher the dew point, the higher value of precipitable water that we have in the atmosphere. 3 inches is our highest on this scale. 2 inches, you usually see around the summertime. Summertime thunderstorms, a lot of heavy rainfall. So when you see a 1.82 inch rate or number on this scale, it's really high for this time of year. You usually don't see that until the summertime. But now we had a front move through with the severe weather, and we're back into a drying trend, a much more comfortable trend as well at that here in Tallahassee. Here's the dew point forecast for the next several hours. I've been back in the 50s, much more comfortable. You're definitely going to feel the difference. It's not going to be so much cool, and here's what I mean by the temperature trend as we move on into the temperature. 78 degrees tomorrow, 77 by tomorrow night. So again, right near 80 degrees, lower dew points, more comfortable, more seasonable this time of year, and we're back near 59 degrees the next night. So it's going to feel really comfortable tomorrow and tomorrow night. Just absolutely much more seasonable, low dew points, a lot drier, not as much rain or damaging winds at that matter. Here's for tonight, 61 degrees. We get a taste of it, not a full swing at the comfortability, but tonight we get a taste of it. 61 degrees in the capital city, much more muggy to the southeast and a little bit cooler to our northwest. So we're right in the middle of that line. And for tomorrow, 80 degrees, much of the 80s, lower 80s to around 80 degrees around the Big Bend region. Upper 70s to our west, a little bit more comfortable out west. For the beaches, if you go out to the water, it's going to feel great. 80 degrees, water temperature 72, a little bit chilly still, but it's warming up. Winds out of the northeast at 10 miles an hour. UV is going to be high, a lot more sunshine, less clouds to block the sun. Pollen will go up. The rain's kept the pollen low. It's going to go back up with the sunshine, less rainfall, less clouds. So back into the 8s and 9s, high for this time of year. Watch the sneezing. 80 degrees tomorrow, 84 on Wednesday. Rain chances return by Thursday as we start to have a return flow off the Gulf. And then Saturday, again, 40% chance of rain. We decrease again Sunday into Monday. A little bit more seasonable again. Look at that, 80 degrees next Monday. Enjoy your week.